Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to delete your Expedia account directly from the mobile app. Whether you want to take a break or permanently remove your account, this tutorial will make the process simple and quick. Let's get started. Open the Expedia mobile app on your device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Scroll down the menu until you find Security and Settings. Then tap on it. Scroll down again until you see the option Delete Account, and click on it. On the next screen, tap on Skip. Now, tap on Permanently Delete Account to confirm your decision. Finally, click on Got It to complete the process. That's how you delete your Expedia account using the mobile app. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.